There is a special weather statement for the following areas in Connecticut, southern Middlesex and southern New London, and the following areas in New York, northeast Suffolk and southeast Suffolk. Areas of dense fog with low visibility will spread generally east to west this evening across southeast coastal Connecticut and eastern Long Island, especially over the Forks region. Dense fog should be widespread by midnight. Commuters should reduce their speed and use low-beam headlights while traveling tonight.
You are listening to NOAA's Hazards Radio, station KWO35 in New York City. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office located on the grounds of Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. Station KWO35 broadcasts on a frequency of 162.55 MHz.
For the following areas in Connecticut, southern Fairfield, southern New Haven, southern Middlesex and southern New London, and the following areas in New York, southern Westchester, Manhattan, Bronx, Staten Island, Brooklyn, northwest Suffolk, southwest Suffolk, northern Queens, northern Nassau, southern Queens, southern Nassau, northeast Suffolk and southeast Suffolk. Dense fog advisory in effect from midnight tonight to 9 a.m. Saturday. The National Weather Service in New York has issued a dense fog advisory, which is in effect from midnight tonight to 9 a.m. Saturday. Locations: New York City, Long Island, coastal Westchester, and coastal Connecticut. Hazards: dense fog, visibilities, 1/4 mile or less at times. Timing: tonight into Saturday morning. Impacts: hazardous travel areas with reduced visibilities. A dense fog advisory means visibilities will frequently be reduced to 1/4 mile or less. If driving, slow down, use your low-beam headlights, and leave plenty of distance ahead of you in case a sudden stop is needed. For the following area, in New Jersey, eastern Monmouth, dense fog advisory remains in effect until 11 a.m. Saturday. Visibilities, often 1/4 mile or less at times. Timing: patchy dense fog along coastal regions is becoming more widespread this evening and will continue into Saturday morning. Impacts: expect poor visibilities to slow traffic flow. Please be on the alert for pedestrians, bicyclists and joggers, especially on Saturday morning. Outlook: the moist onshore flow might cause repeat episodes of dense fog the rest of the weekend, especially at night. For the following area, in New Jersey, western Monmouth, dense fog advisory remains in effect until 9 a.m. Saturday. Visibilities, 1/4 mile or less at times. Timing: dense fog along coastal regions will spread north and west overnight, becoming widespread and persisting into Saturday morning. Impacts: expect poor visibilities to slow traffic flow. Please be on the alert for pedestrians, bicyclists and joggers, especially on Saturday morning. Outlook: the moist onshore flow might cause repeat episodes of dense fog the rest of the weekend, especially at night. And expected to become a tropical storm soon. At 8 p.m., or the center of Subtropical Storm Anna was located near latitude 31.9 north, longitude 77.3 west. The storm continues to meander, but is expected to begin a north-northwestward motion overnight. A turn toward the northwest with a slight increase in forward speed is expected on Saturday. On the forecast track, the center of Anna will be close to the coasts of South and North Carolina on Sunday. Maximum sustained winds are near 45 miles per hour, 75 km/h, with higher gusts, and is expected to make the transition to a tropical storm by early Saturday. Little change in strength is expected over the next day or so, but some weakening is forecast to begin when the center nears the coastline. Winds of 40 miles per hour extend outward up to 115 miles from the center. The minimum central pressure estimated from Air Force Reserve Unit Hurricane Hunter aircraft data is 1,000 millibars, 29.53 inches. For the following areas in New York, Orange and Putnam,